Phase for Team Leadership. Student Giuliano Rodríguez Mosquera. Facebook Cast. Facebook is a social network designed to connect people that is share informative news and audiovisual content with friends and family. It is large and most popular social platform of all existing today. Problem definitive. Employees look to ex-employees for job references. Causes: the exodus of its workforce. Facebook employees must be strategic when leaving the company. Former Facebook employees are looking to power the next big revolution. Consequences: they need a new job due to misdirection. Decrease the personality of other to their companies. Loss of good employees for new not to keep advantage of the potential. Thank you.